How to fix TikTok comment not showing. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix TikTok comment not showing. In order to fix this, you'll have to follow the steps. So first thing first, what you could do is when you open up your TikTok application and log into your account, then you could see this sort of interface. Now here, if you are unable to actually find the TikTok comment or able to see the comment, then first of all, it might mean that the user has disabled the comment section. So you could actually check with the other content as well. If you could see it in other content, that it means the probably user might have actually turned off the commenting. Or else what you could do is, if it's a bug, then you could try rebooting your TikTok application. You could also check your settings. So go to the profile and here tap the trap bar icon, after which you want to go to settings and privacy. Then here you want to go ahead and click on free of space. First of all, you could try clearing your cache, and after which you could also go ahead and submit a report. So click on report a problem and go to comment or account and profile, and then you could go ahead and report about this issue. Or else you could also try updating your TikTok application to the latest version and try reinstalling the application. This should be able to fix the issue. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.